We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 S 彭
And I hey Joseph Lin, Alice. 有没有感觉我今天比较罗曼蒂克？
共发。
我情不自禁笑出来了，不行了。
干嘛呢？
你刚刚在发什么声音啊？什么意思啊？
没有啊。
什么？你在做什么？
没有。
I think Alice does not agree I was being romantic. I was trying to be romantic because, you know, the Chinese is a very romantic culture. You see, first, they have plenty of Valentine's Day to go over. And as a matter of fact, we just had one. It's the Chinese Valentine's that happened last month, the end of last month. Alice, 有没有做什么？
情人节。
有没有做什么事情 Alice？
吃飯啊，
吃飯？
看電影啊，
看電影？吃飯看電影啊？跟誰啊？
你讓係講。
又要不給我管了。Okay, so let's go over a few terms right here about Chinese Valentine's. And by the way, there's a romantic story behind it. In a nutshell, basically, the emperor had a daughter, and she came down to earth, fell in love with a guy named Niu Lang, and her name is Zinu, and they're not supposed to fall in love. So the emperor got really mad, and they banned them from seeing each other except for one time during each year. And that happens to be the 7th day of the 7th month of the lunar calendar. 也就是农历7月7号. All around the country celebrates, and there are things to do, like 你刚刚讲的吃飯。
吃飯。
吃飯 OK 看電影。
看天陽。
看
天陽。
天陽 OK 看天陽 OK that's watch a movie. And also lovers deliver flowers to each other. 要送花。
送花。
送花 Oh, okay, and finally, let's teach a few words that you will use during Chinese Valentine's or any Valentine's. 我愛你。
我愛你。
我愛你这比較直接一點了。可是有些人比較含蓄會說我喜歡你就好了。那怎麼說？
我中意你。
是嗎？這跟廣東話跟廣東話很像我中意你 OK instead of I love you, maybe you just want to say I like you.
我中意你。
我中意你。
我喜歡你。
我喜歡你 OK. And if you're ready to make that final leap on Chinese Valentine's and say, will you marry me? 嫁給我吧，怎麼說？
嫁本我。
嫁本來門都沒有。
我怎麼同意嘅？
There you go. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太假？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.